Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Overwatch 2 freezing problem. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here, Windows Update Settings, check for updates and make sure to install all the updates that you can find. Background apps, turn off this option, and then go to GeForce Experience, check for updates, download and install the latest update for a graphics card, and then go to settings and then general, scroll down until you find this option, email scaling. Now enable it. After that, just wait, and that's it. After a few seconds your problem must be fixed. Just try again. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.